Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I'm so excited about today's product. I love trying out brow products and I love trying out NYX products. So this is the new Thickening Brow Mascara. It is so funny to think about how big, bushy brows are back in style because gosh, it wasn't even that long ago that it was all about the skinny, plucked brows. But I pretty much wear my brows natural but filled in, which I did fill in one of my brows, but I have not waxed, plucked my brows, anything like that in years. So I'm really excited about this Thickening Brow Mascara because I want to add some volume and definitely thicken this brow without the pencil already in it. And so this retails for about $11. It's vegan, cruelty free. I picked it up at Walmart in the shade Taupe. For a brow product, this does have a pretty decent shade range. Oh, I like the packaging on this. It is very small and very light though, for what I would expect to get for $11. But so let's check out the wand. Oh my gosh, you can notice right away so many like fiber fuzzies in the formula. Oh my gosh, I'm a little intimidated. It's also a bigger wand than I typically like to see for a brow product. I typically want the wand to be even like half the size of this. I want a very tiny, precise wand when it comes to brow products. I guess I'm just going to apply this the way I would a regular brow gel, which I'm really not into like the feathered brow look. I tend to just follow the direction that the brow hairs grow in. So I'm going to brush it in that way. I'm going in with a light hand and it's really not applying much product right away. And the taupe shade luckily matches my brow hairs pretty perfectly. But this is the lightest shade that it comes in. I did use this Anastasia Brow Wiz to fill in my brow that I used the pencil on, and that's also in the shade taupe. And they look very similar in shade. Wow. In the time it took for me to just pick up the brow pencil, this already dried down. And it kind of feels like there's nothing even on the wand. And it also kind of looks like nothing in the brow. So now I'm going in with a heavier hand to try and fill the brow in more. It definitely is sticking the brow down. It seems to have heavy hold, but it really is just not looking like anything in the brow. It's not looking flaky. It's not looking clumpy. But, oh, it's very sticky. It's definitely, well, it's called Thick It, Stick It. It's definitely sticky on the brows, and it's going to leave them in the place that you stick them to. My gosh, it's so sticky. Going back in to try and brush through, I kind of feel like I have to stop there. But that is not giving as much of a thicket, like volumizing effect as I was expecting. It did help. Okay, maybe I'm worried this could get really messy, but I'm going to dip the wand back in, pick up some more, because it says that you can keep going over it to make the brows thicker. And I guess it is coating the brow hairs and giving that volume. Truly like a mascara for the brows, like it's called. Wow, it is buildable. And now I am filling in the brow more. Okay, that's cool. It doesn't look the most natural though. It looks a little, I guess, like streaky kind of. Like the brows hairs are noticeably thicker, which I guess is the point. I feel like this is going to look better on top of the pencil, where I've already filled in the brow, because where it's looking streaky, like I'm saying, is where it is a little bit more sparse. Like you need to have the brow hairs there for it to do anything. But now on top of the pencil, it definitely does help to emphasize and define the brow hairs, which on top of a pencil, that's the type of effect that I love, because it just makes it look more natural, more filled in with your natural brows than a pencil product. I do feel like the brow looks like bigger, bushier than I normally wear my brows, but I guess that's the point of this. So I do prefer this brow here with the pencil. But gosh, this taupe shade, I almost feel like I could go a shade lighter, and there is no lighter shade. And people definitely have lighter brow hairs than I have. So even though this has like a decent amount of shades, I think it could go lighter. But I really like that it's not crumbly, it's not clumpy, it's not visible texture-wise like that in the brow, but it has some serious stick and hold. Like these brows are not going to budge, which is what I guess I want my brows to do. But yeah, when I press it down like that, it just looks so much less natural. So I kind of need to like resist touching the brow to keep it not too stuck down, if that makes sense. Like it's a little bit difficult to work with, but I do like the look of it, and I like the hold. I like how full and natural the brow looks. And I feel like this is also going to help ease me into more of that messy brow trend and look. So overall, I like this. It is different than the brow gels that I'm used to, but that's not a bad thing. It truly does what it claims. It thick it, stick it. It definitely thickens the brow hairs, and it really sticks them down. So if you've tried this out, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. Let me know your favorite way to apply it. Do you apply it alone? Do you apply it on top of a pencil, a pomade? Do you brush your brow hairs in upwards or the other direction? So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.